Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to change your gender preference on Tinder in 2025. Whether you're updating your preferences for better matches or exploring new options, this step-by-step tutorial will get you sorted in no time. Remember, Tinder's interface might evolve, but the core process remains user-friendly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Tinder app installed on your device. In 2025, Tinder has rolled out some enhanced privacy features, so updates are key for smooth sailing. Open the app and log in to your account. Once you're in, head to your profile icon, usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. That's your gateway to settings. Next, tap on Settings or Edit Profile. Scroll down until you find the Discovery or Preferences section. This is where the magic happens. Look for the Gender Preference option. It's often under a sub-menu like Show Me. Here, you can select your desired preferences, whether it's men, women, everyone, or more specific identities that Tinder now supports in 2025, thanks to their inclusive updates. To make changes, simply tap on the current setting, choose your new preference from the drop-down or list, and hit Save or Confirm. Tinder might prompt you to verify this change for security reasons, so keep an eye out for any pop-ups. Once saved, your app will refresh, and your new preferences will be active. A quick tip. If you're changing this frequently, consider why. It's all about finding genuine connections. Also, be mindful that these changes affect who you see and who can see you, so double-check for the best experience. If you run into any issues, Tinder's Help Center has updated guides for 2025. There you have it, you've successfully updated your gender preference on Tinder. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy swiping. See you next time.